How to make $80 online. This is going to be very, very simple. I'm going to go through everything with you. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm an internet marketer that teaches people how to make money online. I'm sure you will find a lot of value on this channel, as have a lot of other people who have visited my channel and subscribed. What I'm about to show you is super, super easy. And, you know, it's a lot of excuses that I see on my channel a lot of times about people not, people not saying, people saying that they can't do this or it's not in their country or things of that nature. And if it's not in your country, you can find actually another way. Find apps that are in your country and just apply the same methods that I'm teaching you. But I hear a lot of excuses, and, I've come to the realization that people just kind of want to make money online. They're not really motivated to make money online. What I'm giving you are real ways to make money online. And a lot of people are not doing that. And a lot of people are not showing you proof. So, when I see the comments and the excuses, it just doesn't fly with me, because I started from nothing as well. I started from zero, like you did, zero following, zero people, and I grew my following by putting in work. So if you're not putting in work, you're not going to get the results. So, I mean, I'm just really tired of the excuses. Some people have legitimate excuses, like if it's not in your country, then I can see you have to find something else. But a lot of you guys, you're in the US, you have the info, you have the ways and the means to do it. None of the stuff that I'm teaching you cost money to get started, even though I'm going to be talking about some things that's going to cost money in the future to get started. But the stuff that I'm talking about right now is free to get started. You literally go into an app store and download the apps, like this app right here. I'm in this app. It's called Society. I got $53 in here, but this app doesn't require you to do nothing but watch TV. How many times do you guys watch TV a day? Project Runway, you can find these episodes for free. You take a quiz, and in the amount of money that they have in there is for everybody. So they split it between the people who get the answers right. So you come in here, you basically playing a game. You answering these questions, and the only thing you need to do is get the most answers correct, and you're going to get a big piece of the pie the next day. A lot of you guys, this stuff is easy. Where is this episodes? Half of these episodes are available on YouTube. And, I hear the excuses. Watch the episode, come in here and do the quiz. You come in here and refer people as well. And, get some winners, get some winnings in here. At $80, you can crash out directly to PayPal. And, after $10, you can spend it directly on Amazon. But, you guys are making excuses. Let me go to another thing. Vimo. I talk about Dosh all the time. It is literally, what time is it? It is 7:23. 2 minutes ago, I just got paid by Dosh again, $40 directly to my Vimo account. You can, excuse me. You can, basically click this link. This link will be in the description below. Go in there, you link a card, you get a $5 bonus for linking a card. I mean, it's so easy. You link a card, you get a $5 bonus. You get your first cash back. You make over $25, and then you're able to cash out your money directly to Vimo, your bank account, or PayPal. I choose Vimo. It's a little bit quicker, and I can transfer. Vimo is just like PayPal, and I can transfer my money directly from Vimo to a bank account of my choice. So just in a few minutes, I've just showed you about over $90. About $90, almost $100 in income before it is 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm tired of hearing the excuses. You have all the information to get started. After you get started with Society and Dosh, you can start promoting. Once you start making money with the app, take screenshots, promote on Instagram, promote on all the other social media platforms. Get started. And I've seen people put it on business cards. It's a whole lot of stuff. You guys are making excuses to why you're not getting results online. I'm just tired of hearing it. So those two apps will be in the description below, where you can download. Go out there and make some money. It's not hard. It's not hard. I have people making over $500 a month, multiple people making over $500 a month just by referring people to Dosh. So, that's income. That's $500 extra a month that they didn't have. So if you're not putting in the work, if you're not putting in the time and effort, you're not going to get the results. Go ahead and do that. All of the links will be in the description below. I hope you guys have a blessed day. That's about $100 in about an hour. and I'm just waking up, and I'm probably going to get more than that by the end of the day. You can do the same thing. It is not hard. I promise it's not hard. The longer you take to get started, the longer you're going to be in the position that you're in. Go ahead and get out there and get results. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment any questions you have, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.